Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cheersland token. Ticker symbol is Cheers. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 9th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Cheersland token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Cheersland, a non-programming modular RWA, which is short for real-world assets, so RWA trading platform designed to bridge Web 2 and Web 3, is coming to MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token will be listed December 9th, 10 o'clock UTC time on MEXC Global. If you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Cheers, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, Cheersland is a non-programming modular RWA trading platform designed to bridge Web 2 and Web 3. It is designed to seamlessly integrate real-world assets with the blockchain ecosystem, offering a range of distinctive features. At its heart lies the capability for asset digitization, which involves transforming physical assets into digital tokens or NFTs, thus making them easily tradable on the blockchain. This innovation is complemented by the platform's emphasis on secure transactions, utilizing blockchain technology to ensure that all transactions are secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. Additionally, Cheersland prides itself on a global accessibility, providing a platform that enables users from all around the world to access and trade in a diverse range of assets. Moreover, its user-friendly interface is crafted to cater to both experienced traders and newcomers to the blockchain space, ensuring an inclusive and accessible experience for all. At the heart of Cheersland is the process of converting physical assets into NFTs. This transformation paves the way for real-world objects to enter the digital marketplace, making them easily tradable and accessible on a global scale. The Cheersland NFT marketplace is a key feature on the platform, transforming real-world assets easily into tradable digital tokens. This marketplace is more than just a trading zone. It's a vibrant community where users worldwide connect to buy, sell, or trade digital representations of physical assets. Cheersland democratizes asset ownership, making it straightforward and inclusive for both seasoned traders and newcomers. Emphasizing security, the platform uses advanced blockchain technology to ensure secure, transparent transactions. This approach positions Cheersland at the forefront of the digital asset trading, simplifying and securing the process of turning real-world assets into tradable NFTs. Our vision: we want to unleash the potential of real-world assets. Cheersland envisions a world where the barriers between real-world assets and the digital economy are seamlessly bridged. Our goal is to empower asset owners by providing a platform where physical assets can be digitized, making them more accessible, liquid, and versatile in the global market. We aim to create a thriving ecosystem that combines the tangibility of the real-world assets with the innovation and flexibility of NFTs, fostering a new era of asset ownership and investments. So some of the features on the platform here, it says, we are pleased to see that GameFi has detonated the crypto market. Projects like Axie Infinity, My Neighbor Alice, and Alien Worlds have successfully improved crypto users' enthusiasm for paying attention to GameFi, but this is far from enough. We firmly believe that the innovation of gameplay of GameFi, which integrates NFTs and metaverse, will expand the boundaries of the crypto world, but any game product will inevitably have the duration from popular to obsolete. The game's product's life can be extended only by frequently upgrading the game features and powering the ecosystem through attracting more new players. Therefore, we focus on the exploration of how to establish a sustainable and healthy business model in the GameFi field, which is also the goal of Cheersland. Cheersland is a dual-driven in play-to-earn mode and play-to-build mode, with the product portfolio of gamified launchpad, multi-game universe, multi-asset staking platform, and NFT market, and powered by developing new users by the invitation mechanism, which builds a unique and diversified GameFi ecosystem. So they have whole sections if you want to check out the gameplay, play to earn, build to earn, IGO, benefits, tokenizing real-world assets, and then real-world asset marketplace. So basically those are all the utilities of this project here, all the use cases, all the things you could do, whatever you want to call it. Tokenomics, it says you can use this token for staking. It's also a governance token. Incentives, can use it for payments. There's different revenue streams. They have a whole team section on their white paper. By the way, if you want to skip over to their white paper, find all the info, docs.cheersland.org. Now, lastly, their roadmap is on here, and it says market analysis for NFT integration is what they started with, development of tokenization protocols, release of the Cheersland white paper, designing the NFT marketplace interface, beta launch of the NFT marketplace, enhanced security measures, initiating community building, establishing basic governance structure, public token sale, full launch of the NFT marketplace, marketplace feature enhancements, expansion of the asset categories, user interface improvements, API integration for third-party services, security audit and upgrades, launch of educational content for users, forming new partnerships, streamlining the tokenization process, enable cross-blockchain compatibility, and marketing and user growth initiatives. So check this all out. This token is being listed as of December 9th, 10 o'clock UTC time on MEXC Global. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.